Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Rizal and I'm from the ITS S1G1. So in this video, I will be demonstrating on how to transfer files using the SFTP server and the web server. In the previous video, we have already set up the SFTP server that it could be accessed through only through Shen. So what we are going to do is we are going to open this application WinSCP. Then the WinSCP will ask for the host name. The host name, don't worry about the host name. Host name, we will go just put in the IP address. Username, in the previous video we used Shen, and this part using the password. So as you can see, this is from the Windows and this is from the Linux server. In Linux server, I only give access from Shen, and the Shen has a new file Shen. What we're going to do now is that we are going to transfer the files from the Windows into the Linux server. So let's pick a one picture. So hazim.png. So there you have it. Just drag it, and the file will be from the Windows into the copy. Will copy it from the Windows and into the Linux server. So let's check the Linux server to see if it's successful. So what we're going to do is that we are all going to open a terminal and we will go to a directory of Shen. So just cd/nls. As you can see here, we are going to go to the home ls. As you can see here, we have Shen here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to go into Shen ls, and inside Shen there is a folder named new file Shen. Go into the new file Shen ls to list down anything inside the folder, and there you have it, the hazim.png. Hazim.png is right inside the new file Shen. So it is successful. There you have it. The transfer file using the SFTP server is a success. Now let's go with the demonstration of transferring files using the web server. So what we are going to do is that we are going to check whether the web server is connected or not. So just type in localhost here, and it's a success. This is the folder. This is the files inside the localhost, and we are trying to upload the files from this web server, from this Linux server, and we will open the web server in the Windows PC. So let's get started. I'm just going to clear here, and we are going back to the cd/. So what we're going to do, we are going to change our directory to slash, and we are going to ls just to show you what's inside this. But what we are going to do is that we are going inside the var. So to go inside the var, just use change directory or cd var ls, and go here www. I'm going to show you the step by step. And inside the www we have HTML. So just HTML, cd HTML. Now what we are going to do now, inside the HTML folder, everything that we put inside the HTML will directly transfer to the web server here. As you can see here, in the web server we have hazim.html, and here we have proof that inside the HTML we have hazim.html. The same, right? So what we are going to do is that we are going to transfer the files from the Linux server using this folder. So remember the one that I transferred from the Windows. So we're just going to go there, which is in home. Shen. Inside here is a hazim.png. We are going to copy this hazim.png, just use cp and then the directory, which is /var www html. Oh, my bad. Permission denied. I just have to use sudo. There you have it. The copy is a success. We will now go into the Linux, into the HTML. see if it's there. So hazim.png. By right, everything inside this folder will appear or directly transferred into the web server. So I'm just going to refresh this, and it says hazim.html is in this web server. You're just going to click it if it's there. There you have it. This is my picture. This is the in the Linux server. This is in the Linux server. So now we are going to go to our Windows PC and just type in the host name. Now we are just going to type in the IP address. So 192.168.56.10. It's the same, right? Well, yeah, it's the same. It's just like this. Another PC is transferring file to the web server of another PC. So to download it, we have uploaded and we are going to download it. Just to download it, just save image. So you have it. Just download it. It's downloaded as usual. So there you go. That is all from me. So there you have it. That is all from me regarding the transferring files using the SFTP server and the web server. I hope you understand. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.